Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you what is I love ClickFunnels, guys. So if you are looking for what is I love ClickFunnels, who is for I love ClickFunnels, right? So guys, this video is for you. In this video I will show you exactly what is I love ClickFunnels step by step, guys, right? So without any delay, let I tell you about what is I love ClickFunnels, guys. It's a very simple, guys. It's a, you can say, it's a new promotion regarding ClickFunnels by Russell Brunson, guys. If by the way, if you don't know what is ClickFunnels, it's a simple funnel builder or website builder through which you can create professional looking landing page, thank you page, right, or any kind of webinar funnel, sales funnel, membership site funnel, book launch funnel. So guys, it's a simple website builder, or you can say funnel builder. It's a simple drag and drop funnel builder, right? You don't need to have any coding language or JavaScript or HTML. It's a simple funnel builder, guys, right? So this is a program, guys. I love ClickFunnels, right? So here Russell Brunson is promoting ClickFunnels, where he is offering more than $5,000 worth value bonuses, guys, if you join ClickFunnels, right? So yes, here he is offering 14 days free trial, right? And within 14 days free trial, mean to say, if you join ClickFunnels for 14 days free trial, you will be getting bonuses over $5,000 worth value, guys. Let us show you what are the bonuses that you will be getting, guys, right? But as you can see that, guys, before telling you this, you can see that, guys, with our ClickFunnels, 4.1 billion in sales proceed through ClickFunnels, guys. Can you imagine? It's a huge, guys, right? So yes, you can see there are over 100k users, right, of ClickFunnels, right? And you can see the data, guys, right? So it will be very difficult to tell me about this, but you can see the data, guys, right, about ClickFunnels, guys, right? You can see the funnels, contacts and processed through ClickFunnels, right? Over 4 billion, guys, right? So here he's offering, if you join ClickFunnels, right, he's offering his funnel Flix, guys. It's a kind of Netflix, guys, where you have access to every program or every web series or movie. So it's a, you can say, funnel Flix, where you will be having access to like Tony Robbins personality development programs, J. Abraham marketing programs, and Russell Brunson's 10x secrets program, right? So where you will be learning that how to sell your product or service from on the stage, right, or any webinar or any place, guys, right? So this is the, you can say, funnel Flix, where you will be getting access to everything that you need to know to run your online business, right from marketing to sales, leads, as well as personality development or personal development, whatever, guys, right? So copy secrets, you'll be learning ad skills, right? I show you everything in detail, guys, so don't worry, right? So you can see this is the first first product that you will be having access to inside your ClickFunnels account, right, when you join 14 days free trial of ClickFunnels, guys. So product secrets. So here you will be learning that how to create your own product, guys, right? So here you will be learning 17 ways to create your own product, guys. So if you don't have your own product, so then yes, this is for you, guys, right? And you can see that, guys, right? And second one is funnel builder secrets, guys. Here you will be learning that how to create your own funnel, right, in any niche, guys. So whether you are in like dental niche, right, health and fitness niche, right, or any real estate niche, nutrition, right, bodybuilding, gym, whatever, guys. So here you will be knowing that how to create your own funnels, guys, right? So yeah, this training is all about funnel builder secrets, right? And you can see that, guys, this training itself is $1,997, guys, and you are having access to this training for free, guys, right? So yep, it's a golden opportunity, guys, right, to learn about funnels. And you can see that, guys, Paul and Colin, Brandon and Kellen, they are, you can say, by just going through this training, guys, they have made, or you can say they have won 2 Club X award, guys. Mean to say, guys, they have made, you can see that, guys, well over 10 multi-million in just 3 years, guys, right? Just by having this training, guys, right? So you are going to get access to this funnel builder secrets, guys, right, when you join Clickfunnels, right? And this is ad skills with Justin Brooke, guys. If you don't know Justin Brooke, like I tell you, Justin Brooke is a ad, you can say, ad guy, or you can say he's expert in you can say in paid traffic, guys, right? So yes, when you join Clickfunnels, you will be having access to his course, guide, where he has revealed every like you can say every traffic source, right? Like you can see that like YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, AdWords ads, GDN ads, Google Display Network ads, right? LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, landing pages, native ads, right? Plus ad tracking, traffic maps, and marketing research blueprint, guys, right? So it's a 12-part training, right? And there are 436 episodes, guys. And guys, can you see that, guys? You are going to get access to this training, ad skills by Justin Brooke, guys, who is the #1 ad expert, right, of in the world, just for free, guys, when you join Clickfunnels, right? So yep, this is a great opportunity, guys, right? And fourth one, guys, you are going to get access to private collection of Tony Robbins program, or you can say Tony Robbins course, guys. You can see that, guys, right? All about, like, I'll show you, don't worry. It's a Tony's presentation from Funnel Hacking Live, where he has given his live presentation in Funnel Hacking Live. It's you can say event by Russell Brunson. So yes, you will be getting access to this you can say presentation, right? Career, find your true grit. So this is another training that you will be having access, right? It's by Tony Robbins, right? Energy for life. This is another training that you will be having access, right? Love and passion, and the edge, time of your life, true wealth, right? So guys, you can see these are the training by Tony Robbins, guys. And guys, you know that who is Tony Robbins, guys. He's one of the best and #1 personality development coach, guys, in the world. So guys, you are getting access to all his trainings for free, guys, when you join Clickfunnels, guys, right? And yep, plus you will be getting 100+ funnel templates in every niche, guys, almost every niche that you can imagine, guys, right? So yes, these are ready-made templates, right? And you will be having access inside your Clickfunnels account when you join Clickfunnels, guys, right? You can see that, guys. Visitor into buyers, generation streams of leads, right? Sell your book, run a webinar. So these are the funnels, guys. Like if you are having webinar, then yes, they have webinar funnel. If you want to sell your book, then yes, they have book funnel, right? If you want turn visitors into buyers, then yes, they have funnel regarding this, right? If you want to get leads, then yes, they have a funnel to get leads, right? And the product launch, yes, if you want to launch your product, then yes, they have their funnel, right? And if you want to sell your high ticket product or service, then yes, they have funnel regarding this, guys. So yes, these are the funnels, guys. These are the ready-made, guys, right? You don't need to do anything. Everything is done for you, guys, right? So you will be just downloading all the funnels, over 100+ funnels inside your Clickfunnels account, and you are getting all these for free, guys. You don't need to pay anything, guys, right? So yep, you will be getting, yes, this is very great, guys. You will be getting access to Funnel Hacker forum, guys, where you can say 6-figure entrepreneur, 7-figure entrepreneur, 5-figure entrepreneur, guys, right? These are the people, right? And they are just into that group, and they will be just giving you answers, guys. If you get stuck anywhere, you can just go to that community and you can ask your questions, and they will be giving your answers, guys, right? So it's especially designed for entrepreneurs. So yes, you can just ask questions regarding list building, lead generation, funnel building, traffic generation, copywriting, design, product creation, offer creation, ascending your customers, follow-up funnels, and much more, guys, right? So this community itself is worth paying, guys, right? So yep, all these things again I'm just going to repeat. Yes, you will be just getting access to 14 days free trial to ClickFunnels, right? When you just go and join ClickFunnels 14 days trial for free, then you will be getting access to product secrets, funnel builder secrets. Its value is $1,997. Product secret is $97. For ad skills, it's $498 value. Tony Robbins private collection, it's $997 value. 100 plus funnel templates, it's $1,997 value. Funnel hacker forum, it's priceless, guys. Yes, it's priceless, guys. I see that people have everything, guys, right? But no doubt somewhere there is a time when they get stuck. So here in that case, you need a community, you need somebody where you can go and ask your questions, guys, right? So this community is for you, guys. This community is for entrepreneurs like us, guys. Whenever we get stuck and we want to ask any questions, then immediately we can go to that forum or that group and ask our questions, guys. And within minute, guys, we will be getting our answers to the questions, guys, right? So free book funnels templates, free webinar funnels templates, free product launch funnel templates, free high ticket funnel templates, guys. So guys, you will be having templates, or you can say funnels template for free, guys, when you join ClickFunnels, right? For 14 days trial for free, guys, right? So yep, it's up to you, guys, right? And there is good thing about this is that, guys, you can cancel your ClickFunnels account anytime, guys, right, without asking any questions, guys, right? Because when you see that like this is not for you, you can ask for refund, or you can ask for cancellation, guys, right? And they will immediately cancel your account. So it's up to you, guys. And I don't think, guys, there is any harm to try ClickFunnels for 14 days, guys, right? So guys, this is all about for I love ClickFunnels, right? Yes, if you have any question, then please do let me know, right? I will answer to you, right? And yes, down below you can comment as well, right? You can ask question in the comment section and I will answer, right? And yes, guys, I'm also just giving the link. If you join ClickFunnels trial, right, or you can say if you join ClickFunnels through my link, I will give you my bonuses, right? And that bonus is I will give you DotComSecrets Book absolutely free, guys, when you join ClickFunnels through my account, guys. You don't need to pay anything. I will cover shipping and handling charges from my own pocket, guys, right, guys? So yes, just go and join ClickFunnels for 14 days free trial, guys, right? You don't have to pay anything. You just need to just go and create your account, right, and just hang around and see that how it can help you, right? By the way, let I show you, guys, by going into my, you can see that, guys, I'm into ClickFunnels account, right? So this is my dashboard, and I'll show you my funnels that I have created, guys. You can see, guys, right? So these are funnels that I have created with the help of ClickFunnels, guys. I'm not a tech guy, right? I'm just a beginner, you can say. I am just totally new to this HTML or JavaScript area, guys, right? I just only know how to drag and drop, guys. So yes, this builder is for you if you want to drag and drop, right? And if you want to create your own funnel. So let I show you. So you can see that, guys, this is my recent funnel that I have created with the help of ClickFunnels, guys, right? So it's a very simple, guys, right? And it looks good, guys, right? So yes, guys, if you are looking for to join Clickfunnels, right? Then yes, go and join Clickfunnels. And don't forget, guys, if you join Clickfunnels, I will give you my .comSecrets book absolutely free, guys, by covering shipping and handling charges from my own pocket, right? So yes, go and join Clickfunnels, guys. That is a huge opportunity, guys. We don't know when Russell Brunson going to shut it down, guys, right? So yep, it's for limited time. So yes, go and grab this opportunity, right? Down below I'm just putting the link so that you can join Clickfunnels, right? So yep, this is all about for I love Clickfunnels, right? Again, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And yes, if there is anything that I can help, please do let me know. I will personally help, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.